Today we will talk about how to create a wall in Revit. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. We understand wall tool by creating a new project from an architectural project template. The wall is in the Build panel of Architecture tab. You can select this tool or press its shortcut key WA from the keyboard. After choosing this tool, you must decide whether you want to create the wall in height or depth. You can decide it from the options bar. We create the wall by choosing the height option first. After that, select the depth option and create the wall. Now we go into 3D view. The base constraint of both walls is level 0. The base constraint level is the reference level for the wall surface at which the wall stops. One wall is created on the height side and the other wall is created on the depth side from level 0. A base offset is used to move the wall on height side at specified distance from the base constraint. Its top constraint is unconnected and the unconnected height that we give. The wall will go to the same height. The wall size can be added smaller or bigger from each side with the help of the grip arrows. If we have defined the levels, then we can lock the wall top constraint with a level. In this case, we cannot provide wall unconnected height. The wall height will change automatically with the top constraint. Now let's talk about the depth wall. The base constraint level 0 of the depth wall will be the same as the top wall. But the top constraint of this depth wall will be level 0 and the base offset value will be in minus because it is downward. We will give minus value in top offset to remove the depth wall from the base constraint. Delete these walls and let's move on to the floor plan. Next is the wall location line. Before understanding the wall location line, we create a floor. The location line has different options for what point you are creating the wall from. If you draw the wall from the center line, then the wall will be drawn from the center. Choosing the same from core center line will draw the wall from the core center. If you want to mirror the wall while drawing it, then press the space bar. The wall can also be mirrored with flip arrow after creating it. Now we go back into the 3D view. You can make any wall shape of your choice. Therefore, you can create your own wall profile in the Edit profile by selecting the wall. If you want an opening in this wall, then add a shape in the profile as you want the opening in the wall. Select the Reset Profile tool to reset the profile of this wall to its original shape. A wall opening tool can also be selected for creating wall openings. You can control the wall openings with the sizes. If you don't want this wall opening, just select and delete it. Now we add a roof. Select Attach Top Base to attach the wall to the roof. And to separate the same wall from the roof, select the Detach Top Base tool. Select Cross Section Slanted in the Properties palette for making a vertical wall on an angle, and give the angle in angle from vertical box at which you want to angle the wall. Here we discuss a few different options of wall. There are some draw shapes in the Modify tab after selecting the wall tool. You can draw the wall with the help of shapes, whatever you want. There is an option Chain in Wall tool. If the chain box is checked, the wall will be permanently drawn. Otherwise, one click will start the wall and the second click will end it. If you want to create a wall at a certain distance, then give distance value in offset box at which you want to create the wall. You must draw on the reference only, and the wall will be drawn at such a distance from the reference. You can also give the wall radius while drawing the wall. The radius you give will be the same between the two walls. After that is wall join status. The wall will automatically connect with each other by allow join status, and the wall will not connect with each other by disallow join status. Today we will talk about the method of creating and controlling the wall in Revit. I hope that you understand this topic. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.